What a fabulous car just arrived in, this beautiful Audi TT S-Line TFSI. This is the 45 TFSI, 2 litre, 241 brake horsepower, little pocket rocket, 6-speed manual gearbox, finished in Ibis white. The car is absolutely stunning. This is how the car came in. It was registered in June 2019 on a 19 plate. Totally cherished, amazingly low mileage car. Let's take you all the way around it. It looks gorgeous from all angles. Got a nice little accent there with the grey across the bottom, twin exhaust, rear parking sensors, great size boot, lovely and clean, split folding rear seats, not been abused in any way, no damage, additional storage just under there, of course no spare wheel on these. No dents, no scratches, no little dings, all down the sides as you would expect. It is like brand new. It's got the 5-spoke alloy wheels, all of them as new. This is how the car came in. These have not been refurbished. Got the 19-inch alloy wheels. Again, just to give you a close-up of the near side front wheel. Again, as new. All the bodywork across the front. It is absolutely gorgeous. Again, nice little contrast there with the grey grills to go with the white. The front wheel. And again, all the bodywork down the sides. And just to finish off, the rear wheel. Let's take you inside it. All the trims in great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Got the folding mirrors too. Nice Alcantara trim of the door. Again, beautiful sport seats. Can adjust that just under your legs to get it nice and comfortable. So you've got part leather, Alcantara, S-Line embossed. Again, the rears, nice sport seats. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Flat bottom sport steering wheel, multifunction. It is just absolutely fabulous. You probably won't find a better example on the market. Great car to drive. You've got the menu in front of you. Scroll through various displays. Various radio stations. Media input. Bluetooth phone connection. Just get the stereo system exactly how you want it. Even adjust the volume of the radio to correspond with the speed that you're going to. So basically, as you're sort of speeding up on the motorways, for example, the volume would go up automatically without you having to turn the volume up manually. Great little feature. So as you can see, nice little menu there, very clear. very easy to follow through, so you can just get the car set up exactly how you want it. Your heated front seats, very little nifty. The heated seats are built inside the air vent control there, as is the air conditioning and the various fan speed or positions of flow of air. USB aux input, 6-speed manual gearbox, got drive select to get the suspension ride just right, so comfort, auto, dynamic, individual, efficiency, and that's the rear spoiler, very nifty. And just look at the mileage, 3202, that's what it's done, 3202 mileage, 2019 car. What an amazing find it is. It is gorgeous. Cruise control, speed limiter. So there we have it, our amazing 3,000 mile Audi TT, and there it is with the spoiler up. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. And we do the videos to give you full confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Nothing's left to chance. Great finance always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP or PCP deals and apply direct off our website. Quick and easy. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, where buying and selling cars is a simple, hassle-free process. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. The phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.